Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Python in our system. As we all know, Python is an interpreted programming language. So we have to download and install interpreter in our system. And the interpreter that we will use is Python IDLE. IDLE means Integrated Development and Learning Environment. In order to develop big projects based on Python, we need to install IDE, that is integrated development environment. Big projects may be the web application, maybe the enterprise applications, or anything that we want to build with Python programming language. And the popular IDE for Python is PyCharm IDE. We have to install two things in our system. First, Python IDLE, and second, PyCharm IDE. In order to download Python in our system, we will go to Google Chrome and type download Python. As we can see, this is the first link of python.org. Click on it, and the latest version of Python is Python 3.9.2. Click on it. When it get downloaded, click on open. We can see there are the two steps, install now and customize installation. We will click on install now. As installing is completed, now the message has been shown, setup was successful. Click on close. As we have downloaded IDLE, write IDLE in search bar. It will open the terminal. As Python is an interpreter, so if we write 3 plus 4, we will get the output 7. It just says that our Python interpreter gets successfully installed in our system. As we have downloaded IDLE, now we will download Python IDE, and that is PyCharm. So we will write PyCharm download on Google Chrome and click. As we can see, this is the first link provided by JetBrains. Click on it. So we have the two versions, professional version and community version. Professional version is paid while the community version is free. So click on download on the community version. So it starts downloading. It is of 349 MB. It will take some time. As we can see, we have downloaded the exe file for PyCharm. Right click on it and click run as administrator. Click on next. It is the destination folder where the PyCharm will get installed. If you want to change it, click on browse. I want to keep it as the same. Click on next. If you want to create a shortcut on desktop, you will click on it. Click on next and click on install. It starts installing. As we can see, the installation has been completed. Right click on Run PyCharm Community Edition and click on Finish. It starts loading. We have asked for config or installation folder or do not import setting. Initially we will keep it as the same and click on OK. Now it is asking for the theme, the dark theme or a bright theme. I will click the light theme. In this way we have downloaded the PyCharm. Click on new project, give it a name, click on create. So these are the certain tips that we have to follow. Click on next tip. It is creating the virtual environment. It starts indexing, as we can see. It is loading our files. You want to check it? Print hello Python. Click on run main. It is showing hello Python. In this way, we have downloaded the PyCharm successfully in our system.